This video tutorial demonstrates the simple running of one of the manipulation modules, in this case the SCARE module. It is assumed that the man module itself has been downloaded from the website and installed as per one of the other tutorials. Before we begin, it's important that the tick over against the operator is set to at least 2 minutes. This tick over here usually defaults to a few rows or a few seconds. Change it to at least 2 minutes. This restricts the communication between the screen set and the server back end and improves the speed of the run. So make sure it's set to 2 minutes. Before proceeding, please always ensure that a full backup has been done of both the SYSPRO and the associated company database that you're running in. First step is to create your cross-reference. You may either simply browse and select your codes that you put into your cross-reference from this particular process, or alternatively creating an import CSV file with the old code and the new code. You can see I created a cross-reference here with the old code and the new code, and then import it. So using an Excel spreadsheet, saving it as a CSV with just those 2 columns allows you to quickly import into this process. Okay, all valid. Right, before you kick it off, you want to make sure you have a second instance of SYSPRO. Here you can see I've created a second instance of SYSPRO, either logging into SYSPRO a second time or a physical second instance. You want to kick off the manipulation status process. Tab off scam there. This will show information based on the last run. If you haven't got any previous runs, you won't see anything at this stage, so leave that program open. Go back to your run process, your other session, select the manipulation conversion program, tab, and accept the disclaimer and begin replacement. You will see the first tick over, but you won't see any movement here, and this screen will actually begin to represent the fact that it is not responding, as you see over there. Go to your second instance. If you refresh here, you see things are starting to happen. You can keep refreshing to see it changing, or select the monitor button. What this will do is periodic refreshes while you're watching it, and you'll be able to watch the process running, or at any stage come in here and see the status. If at any stage you would like to stop the process for whatever reason, you could simply select the terminate button. This will force the process to stop after the current table has been processed. Please note that if you don't simply just restart the process, the tables that have been completed have already got stock codes that have been changed, and if you would like to continue using SYSPRO, you would need to restore from backup if you don't plan to just simply restart and complete this run. When the scan process finishes, the original session will show that it has completed successfully. Simply select OK and it will end. Return to your second session monitoring, and you will see also mentions that it's completed successfully. Close the status program. If you were to go and have a look at their stock codes, if you go and look at the stock codes, you will see that as per the cross-reference, the ones that were there were changed and the process was successful. At any stage you could run the audit report. Let's just select reprint, and we're going to say just today's run. Say print, and you will see the report representing today's run, showing you the changes, each of the tables, along with any errors that may have occurred. This concludes demonstrating the running of one of the BAN modules.